Alright, we're going to try something else. Before I had a different battery sitting in the back of the Jeep over here in order to power the Kolpin hitch. So I have run power just from the trailer hitch wiring. Only needed 2 wires coming off of the connector there. Right. Nice. Alright, good afternoon, farmers. Jeepscape is going to plow a field, not a big field. This island over here that's a hot mess is about to get plowed up and smoothed out and then just cleaned up. And I don't have a large enough tractor to pull the disc harrow that I have. So we've attached it to our Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, it's a Kolpin Dirtworks 3-point electric hitch that has a remote control that can be reached from up front. I'll have that trigger right there up front, so we can raise and lower it and all that. This is a total crazy experiment. We're about to find out if it will even work. I had to weigh down the front end of the Jeep with this 100 and something pound weight because the tail end was kind of heavy. Anyway, we're about to see if this is possible. We're going to clean this island up right here. Be back if we are remotely successful.
All right, keep coming. Keep coming. Turn towards me. Swing it towards me. To the left. A little bit more. Another foot. I see it. It's okay. All right, stop. Down. Keep going. Keep going. Down. Okay, that should be good.
Alright, this combined with my little Arian's hand tiller up there, but mostly with my disc harrow attached to the Jeep, did a pretty darn nice job considering this has got a lot of roots in it and it's an uneven slope. Not too shabby considering what it was before. Pretty spiffy if you ask me. This is some dirt you could definitely plant something in or ride your motocross bike in, that's for sure. It's some smooth, nice dirt that we're gonna put the drag harrow on, smooth it all out even more than this. So, looking good so far.